Hi guys, I'm Priyam from For Humans, and this is my testimonial video for Dr. Neeraj in a Awakening course. So I enrolled in it in the month of October, and I got a lot of benefits from it. I had a lot of goals that I wanted to accomplish, but I used to feel stuck. I used to procrastinate a lot, and I used to think that, yeah, I will do it eventually. Right now, maybe it's not the right time, not the right circumstances. But after taking the course, uh, Dr. Neeraj shared a lot of techniques that we can use to rewire our inner narrative that we keep telling to ourselves. And when we were in the program, I did I was able to see the roadmap that I could take to accomplish things I wanted to accomplish. Before that, I used to feel stuck like, yeah, I want to do these things, but how will I? I did not have much clarity on the steps that I should be taking towards my goals. But during the course of the course, in our sessions, in our visualization sessions, we were able to, for me personally, I was able to see the path or the steps, the small steps that could take me closer to my goals. And right now I'm in a much better state of clarity when it comes to how I can achieve things that I have, things that have in my mind. So I will highly recommend anyone to join the course. And if you're someone who thinks my situations are not uh, favorable and all stuff like that we keep telling to ourselves, Dr. Neeraj will make sure that you make most out of this course, and eventually you will be in a much better state after joining the course, after completing the course. And so yeah, I would highly recommend any one of you guys to join it.